We have to find value of x, and we have given that these two segments are congruent because we have these red marks, and here we have right angles. So if I put that this is our A, B, C, D, so we have that ray AB is perpendicular to segment CB. So let me write this. AB ray is perpendicular to segment CB. What else we have? AD ray is perpendicular to CD segment. What else? We have that CB segment is congruent to CD, like I said, because we have these red marks. So it means that CB is equal to CD. So now we can use converse of angle bisector theorem. And we have that AC ray bisects angle, we can write BAD or DA. B is the same angle. So if AC bisects BAD angle, it means that measure of angle BAC is equal to measure of angle DAC. So from converse of angle bisector theorem, we have that measure of angle BAC is equal to measure of angle DAC. And these two angles we have given by these expressions. So we can substitute to our equation, and we will have that 12x minus 6 degrees is equal to 9x plus 12 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have 12x minus 6 is equal 9x plus 12. I will move 9x to the left side, so we have 12x minus 9x is equal 12, and negative 6 to the right side, so will be plus 6. 12 minus 9 will be 3. X is equal 18. Now I will divide both sides by 3, so 3 and 3 you can reduce. And we have that x is equal 18 over 3 is 6. So we have found value of x. This is my solution.